Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing all good. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna share with you these lovely cupcakes that I made. It's for a birthday, so it's a Spider-Man birthday, so I'm gonna show you how to do those. So I have here 250 grams of soft butter, room temperature. I'm gonna add to it 250 grams of sugar, and I'm gonna beat it up until they all mix together and it's like creamy. So now I'm gonna add 4 eggs. So this amount I made 24 cupcakes. If you want to do just 12, you can just do the amount I did, half of it. So a little bit of vanilla, mix it together as well. So now I'm gonna add 250 grams of flour, plain flour, quarter of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry. Don't forget a pinch of salt. So lastly, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of milk. It didn't show in the video, but 3 tablespoons of milk. So I have here the cases. So I'm gonna do bake 12, and then I'm gonna bake the other 12. So just like halfway through, and 180 on the oven until they're nice and brown. So that's it. Just gonna leave them to cool down afterward, and we'll go to the decoration. So this is like basic vanilla cupcakes. They're really nice. As you can see here, after they come out of the oven, they're so soft and so nice and tasty. As you can see, they're so soft. So yeah, so now gonna go to the decoration. So I have here 900 grams of white chocolate. I'm gonna add to it 300 grams of double cream. So I'm gonna make here ganache, white chocolate ganache. So I'm gonna put it in boiling hot water. You can put it in a microwave as well. So this amount I had to cover the cake, the birthday cake as well, and 24 cupcakes. As you can see, after it's melted, so you mix it together, leave it to cool down, and then we can use the machine to make it to a cream. As you can see, it's like very spreadable. So here I'm gonna beat it, as I said. Just until it become like creamy. So this amount, as I said, I cover the big cake with it, and also I cover cupcakes. So the amount for basic one is 300 grams of 300 grams of chocolate to 100 grams of double cream. But I used 900 on the chocolate and 300 grams of or ml for the double cream. So here I'm gonna add red coloring. It's edible. So this one doesn't have those colors. That's, you know, it's vegan. So I just keep adding the color until I reach the desired color. I'm gonna leave you the ingredients for everything in the description box. That's it. So next video is gonna be the cake, so I hope you tune in for this as well. That's it. Just I'm gonna take a little bit of the ganache, just cover the cupcake with it, and then I'm gonna put the Spider-Man cake topper that I got from Amazon. It was the 32 for £3.50 or something like that. And around it I'm gonna just put some sprinkles in the same colors as I put the biscuit before, and the same colors I'm gonna use for the cake as well, so it's Spider-Man colors really. So I got those from Mark Spencer, and that's it. Just cover it with the ganache and then put the edible cake topper on the middle, and then surround it with the sprinkles, and that's it. With the ganache, of course, you have to work really quick because it dries, and then, but if it does dries out and get really hard, just put it a little bit on the microwave or on the top of like hot water, and it will become soft again. And that's it. This is the final cupcake. That's how it looks like. So I hope you liked the video, and hope you enjoy my videos, and I will see you again next time for the cake, the birthday cake, Spider-Man birthday cake. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.